In this video, we're making this carrot halwa or gajar ka halwa that is so easy to make and absolutely delicious. These are all the ingredients you're going to need and they are very simple, so let's get started. First, you're going to heat your ghee in a pan and add in the cashew nuts and raisins and fry them until they're golden brown and the raisins are plump. Then set them aside in a bowl. Then in the same pan, you're going to add in the carrots and cook them on medium flame for about 6 to 8 minutes until there is no raw smell. Then you're going to add in the milk and the sugar and mix that in. And then you're going to continue cooking this on low to medium flame till the milk comes to a boil and the halwa starts thickening. This can take around 15 minutes, so you have to be patient and just let the halwa reduce. And here you can see the halwa has thickened and come together nicely. Then add in the cardamom powder and mix that in. And finally add in your cashew nuts and raisins and mix those in as well. And then you can serve it hot and enjoy. I topped the halwa with some more cashew nuts, but that's completely optional. This recipe only creates about 2 to 3 servings, but you can double the recipe if you want to serve more. This halwa goes so well even with vanilla ice cream, or it even tastes good refrigerated, honestly. Gajar ka halwa is such a classic and this recipe is so easy that you really do need to try it out. I'll see you soon with some new recipes. Bye!